Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to open the clipboard in Windows 10. So this is a really handy little feature. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, the actual keyboard shortcut is to hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then hit V. And you'll see that it's going to open up the clipboard. So at the moment it's saying it can't show history because I've not got my clipboard turned on. If that's the case with you, to turn it on it's actually really simple. All you need to do is come down to the search box down here and type settings. And then you want to go ahead and open up the settings app. And then from here, you want to look for the system icon, which is over here. And then what we're going to do is just have a look on the left-hand side in this menu. And if you actually scroll down slightly, you'll see the clipboard option. So you just need to give that a click. And then you can see there's a little toggle switch here, which is currently set to off. So if I actually click that to turn it on, come out of here, and then now I press Windows and V, you can see that it's going to display all my things I've copied. So if you copy multiple things, it's going to save it in like a history on the clipboard, and this is obviously very handy for some people. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If you did find that helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.